Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I do my boho knotless braids on my client. And pretty much what you're going to see me doing is sectioning off into parts, and that just helps me move around the head a little bit faster and easier when I do my braids. And also, y'all, I don't want to do too much talking in this video. It's a kind of like a watch me work type video, and you're just going to see me feed in the knotless braids, and pretty much you are going to see the final results. I add in at least 4 to 5 boho pieces in each of my braids so it can get that nice curly effect, and I also added the curly pieces at the end as well. So y'all, I just want you to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like this hairstyle, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment below to let me know if you want to see more videos like these. And I will talk to you later, trendsetters. Love you.
I like that, like, they trying to know who to plug. Like, bruh, it's all God, this ain't no magic. Like, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no mellow, bringing hip-hop's finest. Word up to my folks, they the Whittown diamonds. Can't wait for perfect timing, I gotta put the time in. Car at 105, think I made it through the climate. Sweating through my shirt, man, I was straight dying. Yeah, sun in my eyes, ultraviolet. It's funny how the humble be the brightest. You ain't never flipped the switch or take the guidance from me, kept it driving. This lifestyle that I'm around, way too new to me. My parents came to a show, barely even saw them, know what that do to me. Sometimes I wish you just made 2 of me. My life's so complex, but orchestrated so beautifully. That necktie and that black jacket wasn't suiting me. Don't need no paper on that water, see the fruit in me. Bear your fruit in me. So truthfully, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. They cut the nonsense, enough of the coincidence. This life is a godsend. Ain't no San Antonio who'll show you who the pops is. When I saw the light, it hit my pupil, caught me Hobson. Let the living water break the levees of my conscience. Yeah, I learned to love him in the process. Once upon a time, there was a man who met the Loch Ness. That's the end of it, cause we lost him to the darkness. Moral of the story, it's gonna always leave you lifeless. Don't fall for the counterfeit, your spirit truly priceless. Yeah, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. Yeah, I can't manifest my life, it's all love. If you said it, then it's done. Hey, they like Hobie, how it happen? I say, this all God, this ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. This ain't no magic. Yeah. This ain't no magic. Yeah. This ain't no.
That's honey. Now I could feel really grateful for all of the things that you've done for me. For your goodness and your mercy, and how you take care of everything. When I look at everything you had done for me, I just wanna give you all the praise. When I look at everything you had done for me, I just wanna give you all the praise. 365 days you woke me up. 365 days you fill my cup. 365 days you woke me up. 365 days you woke me up. I ain't got nothing else I can say. Just wanted to give you all my praise. Could never forget all the things things you do and what you brought me through. So I'll do whatever you want me to. When I look at everything you had done for me, I just wanna give you all the praise. When I look at everything you had done for me, I just wanna give you all the praise. 365 days you woke me up. 365 days you fill my cup. Days you fill my cup. 365 days you woke me up. 365 days you woke me up. So I give you all the praise for the rest of all my days, Jesus. Yeah, yeah, Jesus.